In this video, I'll show you how to fix flickering lights in DaVinci Resolve using the built-in deflicker effect. This method works directly inside Resolve Effects and is available in DaVinci Resolve Studio. Let's get started. First, select the clip that has the flickering lights in your timeline. Then, open the Effects library and switch to the Resolve Effects tab. In the search bar, type deflicker and drag the deflicker effect onto your clip. With the clip still selected, open the inspector in the top right. You'll now see the deflicker controls. Start by changing the deflicker mode to fluorescent. This mode is specifically designed to deal with flicker caused by artificial lighting. This approach works well for common issues like LED lights, indoor fixtures, or inconsistent exposure caused by electrical frequency mismatches. It's quick, non-destructive, and doesn't require any manual frame blending or timeline tricks. That's all you need. Using the deflicker effect inside Resolve Effects is the fastest and most reliable way to fix flickering lights in DaVinci Resolve.